This is my review of the VIVO Underdesk keyboard tray. So I have a few complaints about this actually. Number one is that this screw right here always comes loose. I had to buy a screw from Home Depot just to replace it because after a while, you know, you slide it in and out, in and out. I tightened the crap out of it, but one of these, I think that one is actually starting to come off. You know, these two will eventually wear out, and when that screw falls out, you know, you're done for, man, because this whole thing becomes super unstable. Another thing is that if you're not careful and you have like the IKEA Carlby desk setup, this thing, if this rubber pad is not on it, will scratch the crap out of your desk. And I learned that the hard way. It's actually underneath here, but yeah, this is just metal, right? So this metal will scrape against the wood, and you got to be mindful of that. Other than that, another thing that I've noticed is like when I'm typing on this, it actually moves the desk quite a bit. And so let me see if I could demonstrate that. Like a couple main complaints, you know, those are the top three. Other than that, it served its job. I think overall, I just kind of prefer using this if I were to use the monitor. So yeah, probably like 3 out of 5 stars, I'd say. It cost me like 69 plus tax. I don't think I'd go with that again.